Hey, they're having a great time. But 1 and 7 hooked together to make 17. They construct the word, the number word 17, out of 1 and 7. 1 in the 10s and 7 in the 1s. So they're good friends. And let's see what we can find out here today, because it's clear but windy. Oh, look down here. What is this that flew in by the pumpkins? Look at this funny thing. What do you think it is? How many spokes does it have on it? It's all over it. Well, there's a fun thing. Anyone know what that might be? Hello, it's the mailman. Hello, thank you very much. Righto. Mail just came, but let's see what that is. Well, I don't want to open it today. I don't know where it came from, but there it is. So it went from a tree somewhere, and it almost looks like a holiday decoration, doesn't it? All right, well, you can see it has lots of spokes. We can estimate how many. I bet there's at least 50, I think, but you can think how many you think it is. Let's see what else we find out here today. Oh my goodness, bags. Look at all the trash bags out here. Here and across the street. Let's count how many bags there are. And what do we think's inside these bags? Leaves. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 huge bags of leaves. Did those all come from my house? Yes, numbers lady, they did. Wow, how many leaves do we think are in there? Oh, it's heavy. And look across at our neighbors. Oh, look at all the leaves that fell on the street. They're everywhere, everywhere. All the leaves are coming off the trees. Look over here how many bags we have. All right, 7, you start out counting these. We have 1 bag, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And what is this bit? We have 14 that look like leaves. Does this look like leaves? No, this is something else. So the question is, should we count it in? It's a 15th bag, but it's not a bag of leaves. I think the rest are all bags of leaves. They look like leaves and everything else, but not this 15th bag. So if we want to only count bags, there are 15 bags. If we want to count bags of leaves, there are 14 bags of leaves. And I had 8 bags of leaves. So 14 bags of leaves from here and 8 bags of leaves from across the street would be 14 plus 8. 14 plus 6 is 20. Plus the 8 is 2 more, would be 22 bags of leaves. That's a lot of leaves because there's lots of trees here. And if we wanted to count this as a bag, we then have 23 bags, black bags of things, 22 of which are bags of leaves. All right, let's see what else we might want to find today around the street. Look at all of these gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful leaves. Look at this beautiful maple. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts to it. That's a pentagonal design on a leaf. Beautiful. You should look around and do that in your neighborhood and see what you find in terms of nature patterns in the leaves. And this is the time to do it if you're in an area in the North Hemisphere, because you can dry these easily and make a little book of all the designs. Look at this one here too. They're just narrower. Look at how much slightly different they are. They're skinnier here, but they're still 5. A pair, another pair, and then the top one. So find a lot of different ones. See the different types of tree leaves that you have. Dry them, look at the patterns, and make a book. Oh, my mask is falling off, so I'll pull it off. We're just right outside my house. So it's the 17th, by the way. 17 is one of those prime numbers. And that means if you have 17 little things, like if we just have 17 bags of leaves, but those are a little hard to move around. If you have 17 small things, the only way you can distribute them according to your friends without any leftovers, no matter how many friends you have up to 17, there's no way to do it without leftovers. So if you have 2 friends, each would get 8 with 1 left over. And if you had 3 friends, each would get 5 with 2 leftovers. You cannot do it without leftovers, and that's what makes it a prime number. All right, we'll see you tomorrow when it's the 18th of November, another even day, so clearly not prime, and it will be one that's easy for division. And yesterday, of course, was the 16th, and we saw that 4 is the square root of 16, and 16 is the square of 4. And 7 says goodbye, Mr. Pirate, who's got his rogue mask on over one of his eyes. And 1's our stalwart, who holds us all in place here. Bye-bye. It's the Numbers Lady. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.